Hello traders and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be looking at the Paramour Rebecca expert advisor for MetaTrader 4. This is a high frequency breakout scalper built mainly for gold and Euro USD on the 1 minute time frame, and it has smart martingale backup, and the claim include a 95% win rate and strong monthly growth. So let's break everything down, what the developer is actually offering and where the risks sit. So ensure you watch this video to the end to get the full picture. Before we dive into today's EA, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in. You can download it for free by using the link in the description below. So ensure you check it out. It's totally worth it. Now, without wasting any much of your time, let's get right into it. We are talking about the Paramour Rebecca expert advisor, and according to the official page which we are on, it's a short-term scalper system that continuously scans multiple time frames to isolate the primary trend and filter out noise. And it calculates structural support and resistance levels in real time and places pending orders at higher probability breakout points. So it scalps based on breakouts. If the initial breakout trade faces a short-term retest, a calibrated martingale opens additional positions at optimized levels, so the whole basket can still close in net profit. The EA also includes a configurable news filter and equity drawdown stop loss that can force close all trades. It also has auto lot sizing and session filters. It is optimized for XAU USD and Euro USD on the 1 minute time frame and the 5 minute time frame, and it's also marketed as delivering a high number of precise trades per day. Now that's for the Paramour Rebecca expert advisor. They also talk about some key features, and the key features they highlight are the multi-time frame trend and breakout logic, the smart martingale, and we all know how martingale works. Martingale is actually a very risky strategy, but they call it highly calibrated, or they call it smart martingale. But at the end of the day, martingale is a very risky strategy, and you should be careful when using any expert advisor which has martingale included in it. It works such that if an initial breakout trade experiences a temporary retest, the EA opens additional positions at optimized price levels to ensure the entire basket closes out in net profit. But if the trade goes against you, it could close out in a huge loss, a huge blow to your account. And this can affect your equity and also your balance if it closes out in that loss, if it's not able to recover the account back to profit. Now, this is something you should know about, but they'll only tell you that it closes out in net profit. I'm also telling you that it can close out in loss. And about further features they mentioned, we have the session and time filters, we have the drawdown stop loss safeguard, we also have highly configurable news filter. This is very important because gold can be very volatile around news times and news days. They also emphasize high win rates, high trade frequency, and the ability to target aggressive monthly growth while using capital protection tools. Now, normally we would run our backtest, but there was no demo available for me to run my own independent test, so we are relying on the backtest and claims shown on the developer's page. I have one here, and let's look at it. Initial deposit here was just $1,000. Total net profit from this test on gold on the 5 minute time frame came in at 9,790 US dollars, which is quite impressive. And they also have win rate of 95%, just like they claimed, and relative drawdown here is just 13%, considering the fact that this EA uses Martingale. This is quite impressive, 13%. But if you are trading with prop firms, you should be careful because above 10% can blow your account. So you should be careful when using this expert advisor because prop firms target is 8 to 10%, and if your equity or your balance goes below that percent, your account is blown. And this is the maximum drawdown here, 11.45%. But at the end of the day, this expert advisor closed out in total net profit of $9,790. It took a total of 6,365 trades. That's actually on the high side, and the profit factor is 1.76. And this is the equity curve, quite impressive, from $1,000 to almost 10,000, almost $10,000. Now you should know that results of any kind are based on historical performance and they can differ depending on market conditions and the position size or risk settings used. Now high win rate claims combined with martingale recovery on the 1 minute time frame and the 5 minute time frame on gold, they are common in this category, but live trading usually shows more variation once spreads, slippage, and changing market regimes comes into play. Honestly, the thing is, any system that adds volume after a losing move increases risk when the market continues against the position, like I explained earlier. And in practice, this means you need a solid low spread broker, a good VPS, and the discipline to respect the drawdown limits. And my verdict for this expert advisor is that it is an aggressive 1 minute and 5 minute time frame breakout scalper with martingale recovery aimed at gold and euro USD. It can suit experienced traders who understand the risk of high frequency trading and recovery systems. But I would advise you avoid it if you need strict low drawdown or if you dislike martingale logic and maybe you're not comfortable with that much risk on your account, or you need a trading robot that offers below 10% drawdown. You should actually just avoid this one. I like this video. If this real test help you out, subscribe and turn on notifications for more honest expert advice or reviews like this one. Drop a comment below which EA should I text next, and don't forget to grab that free Forex robot from the description below. Trade safe out there, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.